To make these delicious fish tacos, we're going to begin by cutting up 2 fresh limes and squeezing them into a large bowl. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. This is a very basic marinade, but the result is going to be outstanding. For this recipe, I am using tilapia, but you may use any kind of fish that you like. We're going to soak the fish in the marinade and it's going to stay in there for about 20 to 30 minutes. Let's give that a mix to ensure proper seasoning. And if you have a favorite fish recipe, please let me know in the comments down below. I would like to try it too. The fish is now going in the fridge and it will stay there until we are ready to cook. Now, while the fish is marinating, let's go ahead and start making our pico de gallo. I am going to add in half a tomato, dice it up as small as you can. We are using half a red onion diced. Dice it small also, you don't want to bite into a big chunk of onion. And we are using red, but you may use white onion or yellow onions as well. I am using red only because it's pretty and I like the color. We're also dicing up 1 full jalapeño. I am removing the seeds because I don't want it to be too spicy. However, if you want your pico to be extra spicy, you may leave the seeds and it will have a nice kick. To the pico, we're adding 1 full lime juice. Squeeze the lime up in there. I love limes. Limes make me think of being on vacation, having margaritas, and of course, fish tacos. We are seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. And to make these fish tacos taste really smooth and have a nice creamy texture, we are adding half an avocado. Dice up the avocado and into the bowl it goes. And pico de gallo wouldn't be pico de gallo without cilantro. Let's give that a chop and toss it in there. Now we can mix this up. This looks amazing. We only have a little bit more prep to do. We are going to cut up a radish into thin slices. The radish is going to give these fish tacos a beautiful crunch. To garnish these fish tacos, we're going to cut up 2 green onions. And the last ingredient is a purple cabbage. We don't need that much. Cut up the cabbage into thin slices. Now, to cook the fish, we're going to set a skillet over medium-high heat, add some olive oil. Once the skillet is nice and hot, place the fish in it, and we're going to cook for a couple of minutes. Fish doesn't take that long to cook. The fish has been cooking on one side for about 3 minutes. Let's give that a flip. And fish is looking good. Flip the other one. And soon we'll be having fish tacos. This fish is cooked. It is time to get it off the hot skillet and to assemble the fish tacos. Who wants fish tacos? I know I do. Do you? For these tacos, I am using corn tortillas. However, you may use flour tortillas if that's what you prefer. I am warming up the tortillas on a dry skillet over medium heat. The tortillas are nice and warm and it is time to assemble. I am using 2 tortillas per each taco. It's time for the fun part. Now, we laid out this delicious lime-infused fish over the tortillas and just cut it up in chunks. Every taco gets a nice portion of the fish. Now get this amazing pico de gallo on top of the fish. A couple of radish slices for everybody. Radishes have a beautiful bite. You will be pleasantly surprised how they taste in fish tacos. Let's get these tacos on an assembling line here. Add some of the cabbage for crunch and color. Look how pretty that is. Let's sprinkle some of our green onions. And now crumble up some queso fresco. That's gonna give us a nice salty bite. And to finish up these fish tacos, we're going to sprinkle some botarga, inspired by Rivet Garner. Guess what time it is? Let's give it a try. Can't wait. Absolutely amazing. Just what I expected. Wow. Mind blowing. And the botarga adds such an amazing taste to it. Wow. Can't even put it down. And there you guys have it. Fish tacos. Enjoy! If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below. Give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to check out Rivet Garner here on YouTube. He has some great recipes for you. Please let him know that Kelvin's Kitchen sent you. YouTube wants you to watch that recipe and that recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!